Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get 1,000 followers on TikTok with TikTok ads for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to get into the TikTok Shop affiliate program because maybe you've seen a YouTube video or a TikTok post or an Instagram post showing you how much people are making with TikTok Shop affiliates. Now, the way that I did this is that I started a brand new account and I was able to successfully run TikTok ads to that brand new account so that I can successfully get into the TikTok Shop affiliate program. So if this is what you're looking to learn how to do, make sure to click on the link down below and sign up and follow along with me so that you can run ads to get followers for your TikTok account. Now let's first hop into our screen right over here. And so once you click on the link down below, you're just going to click on get started. And then it's going to ask you for a few questions. So it's going to ask you for your business name, industry, country, currency, time zone, and mobile phone number. If you don't have a business name yet, you can just use your legal name and then click on continue. So once you first log on to your TikTok Ads Manager account, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Now you're going to click on create ad. And then for example purposes, I'm just going to show you how to create an ad for one TikTok post first. But my recommendation is that you have two different ad groups running so that you can get a variety of different data. But for the advertising objective, we're going to click on this toggle button and then click on community interaction. And notice how the objective of this is to get more people to follow your TikTok account, which is what we want. Now for the campaign name, I usually name it based on whatever my video is about. So it might be about a potato, an eggplant, wooden slat panels, or even golf balls. So we'll just name it potato just as an example. And then under campaign budget optimization, you want to make sure that this is toggled on. So what this does is that within a campaign, you're going to have multiple ad groups running. So this will automatically optimize your budget allocation, meaning that your better performing ad groups are going to have more budget spent towards it, while your more poor performing ad groups are not going to have more budget allocated towards it. So this is really important. Make sure that this is toggled on. For the daily budget, I usually set mine to $80 US, but you can spend how much ever you want. But notice how it says you'll spend up to $100 US on some days and then less on others. But on average, you'll spend around $80 US per day. So click on continue. So on this page here, you're just going to name your ad group name. So I usually name it based on what duplicated ad it is. So I'll just give it a number between 1 and 3. So we'll just name this 1. And then for targeting, you're going to keep this all the same, okay? Just because we're after followers, so everything on there can stay the same. And then under budget and schedule, I normally start my ads on the midnight of the next day. So today's January 5th. We're just going to click on 6 here and then set this to 00 and then click on OK and then click on OK. For the bidding and optimization, you just want to double check and make sure that the optimization goal is set to follow, which is what we set it to on the previous page, and then click on continue. So next on this page here, you're going to click on post authorized by account and then click on authorize TikTok post. So here is where you need to enter your TikTok post code. So what I'll do is that I'll hop onto my phone right now and show you how to get that TikTok post code. So first you're going to hop onto your TikTok account and then click on profile on the bottom right hand side and then find the post that you want to run ads towards. So we're just going to use this post as an example. So from here, click on the 3 dots on the right hand side and then scroll all the way to the right on the 3rd row and then click on ad settings. So on this page here, you're going to see ad authorization. You want to make sure that this is toggled on. So toggle that on and then set this to 180 days and then click on authorize. Next, scroll all the way down to where it says video code and then click on generate. Notice how it says video code is pending. Click on save and then scroll back down and then now it says video code is ready. So click on manage and then click on copy code. And so that is the code that you need to copy and paste into this one right here. So I'll go ahead and copy and paste a different ad code right now and then click on search. And then your TikTok post should appear as a preview on the right hand side here. So just click on confirm. So next you want to scroll down to where it says TikTok post and then click on that. And then you should see your TikTok post appear on this right hand side. So click on the checkbox of the TikTok post that you want to use to run ads towards and then click on continue. So just double check that this box here is checked and then that should be it. Just click on publish. So now let's go ahead and jump into our campaign dashboard and I'll explain to you what to look out for and what to turn on or off. So here under campaign, you should see the name of the campaign that you just created, okay? So what we need to do is that you're going to go into that campaign by clicking on it and then you're probably going only going to see one ad group so far, which is the one that you created. For status, I forgot to mention this, the status of yours might say pending or under review. It might take around 2 to 6 hours for your ad group to finally actually get approved and actually start running. But once it's running, the way to actually analyze your ads is that if you scroll to the right, the first thing I look out for is CPM, okay? So CPM stands for cost per milli, and it's the average amount that you're spending per 1,000 impressions. So notice how we have 6 different ad groups here. For this ad group, I'm spending $6, but for this one here, I'm spending $63. So you want to go ahead and turn off the more expensive ad group, okay? Because you're spending more for the same amount of views. Another way to look at it is that if I turn off my screen, you can scroll more to the right and base it off of cost per result. So notice how in this ad group, I'm spending 8 cents per follower, and then this ad group, I'm only spending 44 cents per follower. So my instinct should be to turn off the more expensive cost per result, which is this one here. Now for this campaign, okay, I have 2 different videos that I'm running ads towards, and then for those 2 videos, I duplicate each of them 3 times each. So for these first 3 videos, these are the same exact video on TikTok. And then these 3 videos here, these are also the same exact video. So it's 2 different videos duplicated 3 times each in order to get a total of 6 different ad groups. So that's what I recommend running. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. That's pretty much it as far as running ads on TikTok goes. You just have to keep a close eye on your metrics. My recommendation is that you try to get a CPM of less than $6 and you try to get your cost per result to be less than 6 cents per follower. I've seen some people get it for like 3 or 2 cents per follower, and that's really good, okay? So make sure to turn off poor performing ads and then keep the ads that are under budget running. But if you guys want to rewatch this video, make sure to click on the link down below in the description so that you can follow along. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.